Let's be honest, trade is shifting fast, but the real action is happening inside China's factories. This isn't just about making things quicker. It's a total reboot of how we build stuff. Robot arms move with incredible precision, while AI makes snap decisions. We've got automated factories running in complete automation, no humans needed. There are even AI chemists handling experiments too dangerous for people. It's pretty wild. And this massive transformation is unfolding right now. If you're curious about where technology is taking us, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. For decades, the car welding lines were considered the Mount Everest of the industrial robot world. They were a forbidden zone for domestic brands, completely locked down by foreign giants. Those foreign machines were not just expensive. They also came with strict maintenance contracts that kept Chinese engineers at arm's length. But that era has come to a dramatic end. This year, nearly 100 high-load industrial robots from a leading domestic firm were deployed in batches at a major automotive base. This is the first time Chinese point welding robots have been massively used in the core of car manufacturing. The stakes were incredibly high. One wrong weld, and the entire car body could be compromised. These aren't just cheap knockoffs. They perform with the same speed and precision as the imported machines they replaced. The journey was brutally tough. Engineers had to solve over 1,000 technical problems. They cracked the code on core technology like control systems and servo motors, making them 100% homegrown. This breakthrough saves car companies money and makes the supply chain safer. It also shortens the delivery time for new robots from months to just weeks. Intelligent manufacturing in this field means the robots can now self-adjust their welding parameters based on the thickness of the metal. It's a massive win for China's manufacturing renaissance and proves that domestic tech can compete at the highest level. The robots are now a common sight, working side by side with their foreign counterparts. They operate 24/7 without fatigue, effectively breaking the long-standing foreign monopoly that once seemed unbreakable. The factory floor is no longer just a place of repetitive tasks and sweat. Today, it's a hub where human expertise and machine intelligence collide to create something new. This partnership is the heart of China's manufacturing renaissance. Workers used to spend hours checking for defects. Now, cameras powered by artificial intelligence spot errors in a fraction of a second. A worker can now monitor an entire production line from a tablet, intervening only when the machine flags a problem. This shift is happening everywhere, from massive car plants to tiny component workshops. The goal is simple: make better products, faster and cheaper, while making the jobs of the people who run these factories more strategic and less physically demanding. This collaboration between humans and robots is driving smart factories to new heights of productivity and innovation. China's auto industry is pushing boundaries that seem straight out of science fiction. At the heart of this push are dark factories. These are fully automated plants where machines work in the dark with no human workers needed. The lights are off, but production never stops. The robots communicate via 5G networks, coordinating their movements to avoid collisions and maximize speed. This is a cornerstone of China's manufacturing renaissance. These facilities churn out a car every 30 seconds, which is a pace that human workers simply cannot match. But the innovation doesn't stop at production. Engineers are now exploring how to turn carbon dioxide into fuel. This is not just recycling, it's alchemy. The process involves capturing CO2 from the air and using a chemical reaction to convert it into methanol, a clean-burning fuel. This technology could be a game changer for the environment. It takes a harmful greenhouse gas and turns it into something useful. This combination of extreme automation and green tech is how Chinese car brands are competing globally. They are not just building cars, they are redefining what a car company can be in the 21st century. The auto sector is also investing heavily in crash test safety using digital simulations, reducing the need for physical prototypes. This approach saves millions of dollars and speeds up the design process. Intelligent manufacturing allows these companies to adapt quickly to changing global demands. Whether it's a trade barrier or a shift in consumer taste, these smart factories can pivot rapidly. This shows that resilience and growth can go hand in hand with sustainability, proving that the industry is redefining itself from the ground up. In the world of manufacturing, a Lighthouse factory is the gold standard for smart production. Recently, a spandex plant in Chongqing earned this title, becoming the first in the global chemical fiber industry to do so. This is a huge step for China's manufacturing renaissance in the textile sector. Facing huge global challenges like too much supply and shifting customer needs, the factory fought back with intelligent manufacturing. They used AI to control the viscosity of the polymer solution and digital twins to simulate the entire spinning process. The results are stunning. Productivity shot up by 60%, while defective products dropped by over a third. By leveraging big data, the plant predicts maintenance needs before a machine even breaks down. This shows that even traditional industries can be completely transformed by technology, becoming more efficient and competitive on a global scale. Imagine a factory where 3,000 robots work together in perfect harmony. This is not a scene from a movie. It's the reality in a massive super factory. This facility is a prime example of China's manufacturing renaissance in action. Inside this massive plant, smart factories have become the new normal. The robots handle the heavy lifting, welding, spraying, and assembling cars with incredible speed. The key to making this work is a powerful digital brain that coordinates all the moving parts. This system tracks every single part as it moves along the assembly line. If a bottleneck occurs, the system reroutes the workflow instantly. This intelligent manufacturing hub doesn't just build cars fast. It also connects with over 300 partner companies to create a seamless supply chain. This level of integration shows how modern factories are becoming the central nervous system of entire industries, creating a highly responsive production ecosystem. Energy storage is critical for a green future, and China is leading the charge. The world's first Lighthouse factory for energy storage batteries has just opened. This milestone is a key part of China's manufacturing renaissance in the renewable energy sector. The factory uses augmented reality to guide maintenance workers through complex repairs and artificial intelligence to run almost entirely on its own. This high level of intelligent manufacturing has cut research and development times drastically. Predictive simulation allows engineers to test new battery chemistries virtually before mixing a single chemical. The plant also creates a strong local supply chain, reducing logistics costs and boosting China's global standing in the battery market. This facility is more than just a factory. It's a model for how to build a carbon-neutral future while powering local communities with integrated solar storage solutions. Digitalization has turned a massive laptop plant in Hefei into a super factory that redefines speed. This facility is a testament to China's manufacturing renaissance. By combining artificial intelligence with big data, the factory has completely changed how it works. The most impressive change? Production scheduling, which used to take hours, now takes just minutes. A cloud-based system gives managers a real-time view of global orders and supplier logistics. This level of intelligent manufacturing allows the intelligent automation to produce a massive number of the world's personal computers with incredible speed, ensuring that components arrive exactly when they are needed on the assembly line. In Beijing, a dark lab is using AI to make chemical testing safer and faster. This facility is a perfect example of how China's manufacturing renaissance is moving beyond the factory floor. The lab runs completely on its own, with no humans needed inside. This is crucial because the chemicals being tested are highly toxic and potentially explosive. By automating the entire process, the AI removes the risk to human scientists. Intelligent manufacturing here means precision and safety. The machines can operate in the dark, running tests and analyzing results without any human intervention. This breakthrough shows how technology can protect people while making scientific research much more efficient, providing reliable data around the clock. The demand for Chinese robots is exploding worldwide. Recent customs data shows that exports of industrial robots have surged, with over 2,500 units shipped in a single month. This global appetite is a clear indicator of China's manufacturing renaissance, going global. Mature e-commerce and logistics industries in Europe, America, and the Asia-Pacific are urgently looking for ways to automate their warehouses. They are turning to Chinese-made robots because they are efficient, reliable, and cost-effective. This export boom proves that China is not just the world's factory floor. It is also becoming the world's top supplier of the machines that will run the factories of the future.